This is Cody Willard, and I'm going to walk you through Scutify and the Scutify iPhone app. As you see here, when you open the app on your iPhone, you just click on the icon and it opens up for you, of course, just like any other app on your iPhone. When you first open the app, it takes you to the home page. You'll have a list of the indexes and their current performance value and the change of the day, including the VIX, and some international markets. Across the top, you have the trending stocks from the past 24 hours from the app. You click on, for example, the Apple icon there, and it opens up the Apple feed from Scutify. The first thing you'll see on the app when you open it is a bunch of tweets that all mention Apple. You can also click on the Scutify icon there, and it shows you all of the recent Scutify scuttles that mention Apple. A scuttle is basically the equivalent of a tweet here on Scutify. Next is the news. You click on the news icon there in the middle, and you get all the news that is talking about Apple. Click on the I, and it'll show you the information, the balance sheet, price, cash flow, earnings, everything you want to know about the stock that you probably can't get on any other app that's out there, certainly not for free like you can here on Scutify. Everything you want to know about a company's balance sheet and its cash flows are right there on the information. So, including income, operating revenue, operating expenses, you name it, it's on there. When you click on the three bars there at the top left, it opens up a menu for you, and you can take a look at all of the different features that Scutify offers. Here I open my dashboard, shows all of the recent scuttles that mention any of my stocks, any of the companies, any of the people that I follow or stocks that I follow on Scutify. Then I can look at any tweets that mention any of the stocks I follow. And we've got messages. You can private message anyone. I get a lot of messages on a daily basis and a weekly basis here on Scutify. And I try to answer them all. So if you have a question, send me a message. Here's all of the people I'm following on Scutify and their scuttles. So I can stay up on any of the leading investors and all-stars and anyone else I follow on the site. You can also adjust your name and settings. One of my favorite features is my Scuttle List. You can pull up all of your stocks. It gets you real-time quotes for each and every one of your stocks. Your internet will be much faster than mine, by the way, as I'm doing this demo. But you see here, I've got real-time quotes. This is intraday, real-time for every single stock that I'm following on Scutify in what's called my Scuttle List. I follow dozens, as you can see there. And if you click on any of the stocks, for example, say Facebook, you'll open up the Facebook page, which I showed you earlier from Apple. Everything you want to know about Facebook is all right there. Click on the back button. It takes you back to where you were. I'm opening up the options there with the three-bar menu there at the top again. And I go to companies. You can search for any company, search here for BBY, pulls up anything with BBY in the name. Click on it, and again, it takes you to their page. Anything you want to know right there about that company is there. We do the same thing for commodities. Here's gold, tweets, scuttles, news, more news. That's a blog information. You got Forex, same thing, any currency pair you'd like to look at. Down at the bottom, you can open up the options. Here you've even got Bitcoin. Click on one of my favorite features, Scuttles. You can read all of the latest Scuttles from any member who's on Scutify, all-stars included. One of my great trader here, and lots of good information from big options. And we've got an all-star lineup full of people I'll show you in just a second that posts here on the Scuttles on a daily basis, and of course Scutify News Bits, our own Lucy Botrell, has all kinds of links and pictures and graphs, anything you want to know on a daily basis. 7 days a week she's in there putting stuff up for you, keep you in the know. Like I said, we've got a really great high caliber lineup of all-stars, investors, professional money managers that contribute on Scuttles, and you can follow them and see, they'll post some of their trading ideas and other things there. You can contact us. Again, this is down the right. When you click that 3-button icon there at the top left, it opens up an option, all the options. At any time you can post a Scuttle by clicking on the top right pencil, and you can write anything you want there. The King, our CEO, is constantly rolling out new features and new apps and new features for the apps. So keep up with the latest version and download the Scutify iPhone app. I promise you won't be disappointed. It's Cody Willard. Peace.